Hi, my name is Jimmy, and welcome to the Lincoln Avenue Residence Halls. This is the main lobby of the Lincoln Avenue Residence Halls, better known as LAR. Here you will find your mailboxes, a lounge area for residents to use, and the LAR Front Desk. The LAR Front Desk is here to help you. They can answer any questions you may have about residence halls or campus in general. They offer temporary keys, temporary iCards, and they even have items they can loan out to you, like board games, tools, sports equipment, kitchen supplies, and moving carts. Next to the LAR Front Desk, you can find your mailboxes, primarily used for smaller envelopes and smaller packages. Larger packages will be processed by the LAR Front Desk for you to pick up. And in case you get hungry, the nearest dining hall is located right downstairs. LAR is known for its Field of Greens dining option. Field of Greens serves vegetarian and vegan options. All dining locations on campus serve vegetarian and vegan options. However, Field of Greens only serves vegetarian and vegan options. LAR residents also have access to the Allen Dining Hall through an entrance in LAR. This is where you can find the kosher kitchen dining option as well. The kosher kitchen serves kosher-friendly food items and is in partnership with the Illini Chabad. You can find more about our dining options in the link below. Now, LAR is split into two separate halls. To the north, you have Leonard Hall, and to the south, you have Shelden Hall. Both Leonard and Shelden Hall make up the Lincoln Avenue Residence Halls. I wanted to make that distinction because we will be going into Leonard Hall. Both the Leonard and Shelden Hall laundry rooms are located within the basement of their respective buildings. Laundry costs are included in your housing contract, so no need to carry around a big roll of quarters just to do your laundry. You can stay in the laundry room to know when your laundry is finished, or you can download the Illinois app to check the usage and availability of laundry machines. It is super convenient. There are 3 different room types available within LAR. There are single, double, and triple rooms available. LAR, like other residence halls, consists of mostly double rooms. Let me show you a double room. Welcome to a double room. Within each room, each resident gets a desk, chair, twin XL bed, bookshelf, 3-drawer chest, pedestal cabinet, and a hanging bed shelf. Each resident also gets their own lockable closet. These beds are currently at our default mid-loft height. From the top of the mattress to the bottom of the floor is about 38 inches. From the bottom of the bed frame to the bottom of the floor is about 28 inches of clearance. There's an option to have our beds set at a high lofted configuration. In that configuration, from the top of the bed to the bottom of the floor is about 65 inches, and from the bottom of the bed frame to the bottom of the floor is 55 inches of clearance. Guardrails and ladders are available upon request. Making the space your own can feel a little overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. We have a giant list of items that we recommend that you bring and items we recommend you leave behind on our website. You can find the link to our ultimate packing checklist as well as furniture dimensions in the description below. The bathroom layout in LAR is a communal layout. There are 5 toilets, 5 sinks, and 4 shower stalls. The bathrooms are cleaned daily by our building service staff. This is a lounge space located within LAR. This communal space can be used by university housing residents. You can study, hang out with friends, and use the technology available within the space. I have 4 things that you should know about being in LAR. Number 1, the best way to get around campus is walking, biking, or taking the bus. The main quad is about a 10-minute walk from here. 2, the nearest bus stops are the LAR stop or the Gregory and Dorner stop. 3, you are near the Campus Recreation Center East, or CERCE, the Red Oak Rain Garden, and right next door to the McKinley Health Center. 4, the nearest dining halls would be the LAR Dining Hall and Allen Dining Hall, located within the basement of the building. You can find the kosher kitchen and Field of Greens located in the LAR Dining Hall. Thank you for joining me on this tour of the Lincoln Avenue Residence Halls. We can't wait to see you on campus soon. Click here if you want to see another residence hall video. If you don't, I'm gonna play the piano. And I have no idea how to play. So if you don't click on this, everybody in this hall is gonna hate you. Everybody. I'm getting ready, so click it, please.